The Driver Philly Edition playset, where every route's an adventure.
Yo, that junk crazy!
Includes the Philly Driver figure, city bus, and fold-out bus stop. Collect them all for the full route experience.
Back door, dickhead!
You're in control of the route. Pick.
Yo! The new train operator set is here!
Whoa!
Awesome!
Introducing the Train Operator Philly Edition. Now you're in control of the L.
A train making all stops.
Take your train through every Philly stop from Frankfurt all the way to 69th Street.
City Hall!
Connect with the Broad Street line. Switch lines.
Yo! It's the new trolley operator!
It's rolling in. Trolley Operator Philly Edition. Drive the tracks, run the tunnel, rule the route.
Welcome to Route T2, serving City Hall.
Realistic sounds. Working tunnel route. Take your passengers through every Philly stop.
Exit at the rear, dickhead!
Keep your cool Philly style. Only the top.
Yo, they dropped the City Hall set!
It's Taxation Philly Edition, where power meets the people. Philly style, featuring 5 elite Philly officers, a Tahoe command vehicle, and Mayor Parker herself.
LGLES Eagle!
Lead the city, keep order, and show your Philly pride. Sorry, tours are closed.